here in the back, and today I got the LogiTech G335, the gaming headset, and we're gonna box it, talk about it, play some audio, see how it sounds like, and let's get it started. But the things are for your boy. I got goals today, you got goals today. Let's get it done together. Hey, thanks. All right, so here it is right here. Bro, what happened to my box? Like why is it like this? Like, what was someone trying to do, you know? Come on now. G335, G335, 335. All right, so it's a wired gaming headset. So very easy, screams budget. It's not really a lot of specs to it. So, but why is this text so small? Like, who can see this? Look at this. I'm zoomed all the way in, small text. Reversible, soft, adjustable straps, soft foam memory earphones, 40mm drives, 3.5 audio connection, volume control, and flip up mute mic. All right, so now we're gonna unbox it. Okay, so when you first open it up, it's compatible with a PC, game, and a mobile. Alright, here it is. Keep playing. Alright, so here it is right here. Of course, you see the headset itself, but when you first open it up, you get an adapter. You will place the 3.5 jack right here, and then you can use these two outlets for the audio and stereo sound. Get a sticker with it, and you get a little brochure. Alright, and here's the headset itself. Apparently, I must have bought the Aqua 8 editions. You know what I'm saying, with the purple and blue. But hey, that's cool, you know what I'm saying? I got my Aqua 8 somewhere, you know what I'm saying? I can wear them and play with this at the same time, you feel me? So we got the headset itself. Feels nice and cushiony, feels really good. And next I'm gonna play some games and see how it sounds. And I'll tell you how the comfort feels. So let's get started, and last but not least, you got the mic itself. Alright guys, so this would look like with it on me. And I think it's pretty comfortable. I do like this part right here. You can definitely see the spacing between it, between this and the strap. So you're not really feeling this. The strap, you don't really feel it at all, so it's pretty comfortable. And yeah, so it's a pretty basic gaming headset. Don't expect too much from it. I just played some Hitman with it, and I'm gonna show the clip right now. So let's get it started, and tell me guys what you guys think down below. So, all right guys, I got goals today, you got goals today. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm out. Peace. What you think? Yo. All right, we back playing some more Hitman. Right now I got on the LogiTech 335 headset.
Target.
Be careful, or you may not spot him until it's too late.
Yes, sir. Keep walking. What, bro? I cased the whole clip in them. Yo, open this shit up, bro.
Hey. Did you call again? Yeah.
Everybody getting sprayed up in this jump.
Now press the advantage while you still can.